In this video, I'll share my experience battling a stubborn bathtub clog, a job that ended up requiring 7 different methods before I finally succeeded. It all started when I returned from vacation, only to be greeted by my mother with a clogged bathtub. I thought it would be an easy fix, but it turned out to be far more challenging than expected. What seemed like a simple task ended up taking me hours to resolve. The first method I tried was the good old plunger. I had hoped this classic tool would do the trick, but unfortunately, it failed. Since I suspected there might be hair stuck in the pipe, I decided to try a plastic snake hair remover next. I inserted it into the drain, expecting to pull out a clump of hair, but to my surprise, the pipe was remarkably clean. No hair, no debris, and still no solution. Next, I attempted the hot water, baking soda, and vinegar method since I already had these items at home. I boiled some water, poured it down the drain, then added baking soda followed by vinegar. After 4 attempts, I was still facing the same stubborn clog. Frustrated but determined, I moved on to my small snake, a tool that connects to a common electric drill, allowing me to spin it without manual effort. Despite this added power, it still didn't clear the blockage. At this point, I decided I needed to see what was happening inside the pipes. To do this, I used my waterproof snake camera, a handy tool that connects to my smartphone. It has adjustable lighting and allows you to record video or take pictures, making it perfect for inspecting hard-to-reach areas. After exploring the pipes, I was surprised to find no obvious issues. The pipes looked relatively clean, which wasn't surprising since I regularly use BioClean to break down grease buildup. By the way, I've made a separate video about BioClean if you're interested. Running out of options, I brought out my big snake, a larger, more powerful tool designed to tackle tougher clogs. I carefully inserted it into the drain, hoping this method would finally do the job. Unfortunately, it didn't work either. With no other choice, I decided to try a more expensive solution, the Kleer Drain. This device uses compressed air to blast through clogs, with each shot requiring 1 air cartridge. Inside the package, you'll find a cover for toilets, a plastic cup with 2 installation options, the air gun itself, and 4 air cartridges. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. Setting up the Kleer Drain is straightforward. First, you screw the plastic cup onto the gun. After use, you can disconnect this part to help the unit dry more effectively. To install the air cartridge, simply unscrew the cap, insert the cartridge, and close the cover tightly. Once everything is assembled, you hold the handles firmly, press down, and release the air pressure. Before you try this method, there are 2 important things to keep in mind. If your plumbing system is old, the strong air pressure could potentially damage your pipes, so use it with caution. Also, be sure to cover all the drain openings connected to the same pipe system. This is crucial to ensure the pressure is properly contained and directed toward the blockage. In my case, I needed to cover a secondary drain opening. On my first couple of attempts, I didn't seal everything tightly enough, and I noticed air bubbles rising as I was working. After improving my setup and ensuring all the openings were properly sealed, I gave it another shot. It took me 4 attempts, but finally, the water started flowing down the drain again. After hours of trial and error, it was a huge relief to see everything working as it should. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical how-to and product review videos. See you next time.